So, seeing is believing. We've talked a lot about user experience. And really, it is all about the user. Ultrabook is about delivering the ultimate user experience, no matter who that user may be.
Falling in love again, I never wanted to. What am I to do? I can't help it. Love's always been my game. Good as I may. I was born that way. I can't help it.
不好意思，可以打扰你一下吗？
对，也常被问到，可是我
可是我
在
只想告诉你，你有个超酷的 Ultrabook， 这是我真的超级的。
I never wanted to.
也变成平板电脑。
What I do, can't help it.
So the Ultrabook won out over one of the most well-known celebrities in Taiwan, Li Hongwang. Ultrabooks, though, are about more than style. So correct. Come out here one more time if you can. Let's talk about above and beyond everything we've shown today. What do we have in the future?
Well, yeah, we want to talk about the next generation of this brand new dawn of Ultrabooks. It's all about the senses and how we're going to be able to use sight, sound, touch, in order to have that your devices are adapting to you, not the other way around. But I figured we'd go ahead and talk about security. I'm bringing up the coffee shop example that we just saw with the Great Lady Home video. I'll tell you what, why don't you go ahead and hand me that notebook right there, and we'll go ahead and give it a run.
Can do.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay. See, what I kind of set you up for that one. Sorry about that, Tom. But here's the overall gist. All of that racket that's going off here is literally the sensors in this book have been tripped, and they've now securely locked down the laptop.
You went to get your latte, and I maybe wanted to grab your Ultrabook and take a look at it.
Exactly. We know how desirable they are, so the second that you go away to refill your mocha, it could be right off the table. However, you now have the peace of mind with all these next generation sensors. The second that it's moved or you move too far away, it actually locks down, protects all of your data, and that's a great experience, so I can have peace of mind, make sure that my sexy new Ultrabook is safe.
Okay, we're talking futures, we're talking about raising the bar. What else do you have?
Yeah, so we definitely got some stuff. So actually, let me go ahead, and I have my Ultrabook here. I figured we'd go ahead and we have a great section on the user-centric experience that we have around Ultrabook, as well as all of our other devices. So I figured I'd take you guys through just a standard morning. If you want to go downstairs, you have your coffee cup, and the first thing I want to do is, well, it's maybe a little bit sad, but I want to check the internet. I have email, I got news, and all that other stuff. So I'm going to walk up to my Ultrabook here, and it's going to take a look at my face. I'll go ahead and just log into this guy. And just like that, I'm into my desktop. So it's literally has taken the algorithm of this beautiful thing here, all of the way I was spacing my, well, maybe a little bit too much, but my beard, the difference between my eyes, all that stuff combines to a secure algorithm that hides all of my passwords and keeps my Ultrabook here secure.
Well, that certainly raises the bar on security, but I'd also say it on user experience.
Oh, well, definitely.
It's nice not to have to remember all these passwords and fumble finger the password in, just be able to look at it.
Exactly right. So I come down here and we have this great Windows 8 experience. I'm able to go through here with touch and bring up all of these. I just want to check the weather in the morning. That's an easy one to do, as well as, well, I have the desktop there in case I want to get some actual work done. But, you know, some sports I can go ahead and bring up as well. It looks like Tiger's doing pretty good. You see him out of the trap there. But then I want to go ahead and look like while I'm in Taipei. Unfortunately, the weather is kind of a little underneath the weather there, but with some touch, I actually see this app up tile here that I have. I'm going to go ahead and select the app up store, which is a great way for us to get our latest and greatest optimized IA applications, just like I have for the desktop.
App up for the audience is great. It's somewhat similar to other app stores, except it hosts both web apps and existing window apps. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop tile.
Exactly right. So I see Fruit Ninja there. I can stay away from that one for a little bit. But they will go over into, maybe I want to go ahead, because of the weather, the way it's in here in Taipei with a little bit rainy, maybe we want to go out and take the family to a movie. So I can just go ahead and launch open Flickster, get a great experience, find out where I can go ahead and get tickets and find the latest flick. I love that new Avengers movie, so something like that would be a great pick out. But again, back to the morning. Let's go ahead and minimize some of these guys here. And I want to check my email. Let's go ahead and get into email. And again, I'm going to go ahead just with a quick touch, bring up my Gmail account, and brings me straight to the login page. But I'm going to go ahead and use my face again to input my password. So again, no more fiddling with the keyboard. I have to go in there or touch around and make sure that every site that I go to, I have to log in and log in and log in. It automatically, still securely, takes in my face, and I'm able to go ahead and see all my email with just a quick touch. It's a pretty cool experience.
Okay, now what?
All right, well, we've done sight and we've done touch, obviously. So why don't we go ahead and do some sound? So I'm a big, huge Facebook junkie. I want to make sure while I'm in Taipei, we're updating everyone here. So let's go ahead and do a quick post to Facebook. What do you say?
Go for it.
Here we go. Hello, Dragon. Post to Facebook. Hello, we're here live on stage.
Are you ready to post it?
Post it.
Updating Facebook.
Open Internet Explorer.
Opening Internet Explorer.
All right, and just like that, with no touching, no muss, no fuss, the Nuance software is able to detect my voice. I'm able to go ahead and see a post there. And actually, oh, we're live on stage. It came off perfectly. I can go ahead and click the link down here. It looks like someone already posted the live on stage at Computex that we're streaming onto Facebook here. So that's a really, really cool experience. So we can send that out to the rest of the world. But I guess, you know, when we're talking about rest of the world, it's not just English in the way that we're talking now. And however, we want to open up the Ultrabook experience to the entire world. And we're going to go ahead and start with Mandarin. Literally the newest drop. To go ahead and use voice and Mandarin back and forth. Tom, you want to give it a try?
Well, I heard your karaoke, but are you going to do the Mandarin?
I only know the one verse. I don't know. So does anyone here know Mandarin?
Don't.
Well, if it isn't Wong Lee-Hung himself, live and in person, the very talented artist known for creating great music and movies, please give him a warm welcome. We need your help for a demo. We know your artistry in terms of music and movie making, but can we get your help here on a demo?
On a demo. I'll try.
Okay.
What do you need?
Right, so
I figured we use you as our brand new guinea pig as far as trying out the newest drop of our Mandarin software. What do you say? You want to post something for the fans?
Mandarin.
Yeah.
It's one of my specialties.
I was going to say, you seem like you're perfect for it. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and cue it up for you. Okay. If you just want to say post to Facebook, and then go ahead and post what you want, and then we'll go ahead and confirm it.
Post to Facebook.
Let's go. Oh, hold on. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Wait for the beep. Here we go. Go ahead.
大家好，我是王力宏。
Nice. Take it. All right, and confirm.
可以，
Go ahead. Push it. Go ahead. Confirm.
可以。Okay.
All right. The very first post of the Mandarin. Let's go ahead and actually see if we can see how we did. I'm going to go ahead and just open Internet Explorer, get the same account. What do you guys think?
All right.
Is that it? Did it work? All right, so again, thank you very much for your help. And again, it's just the way that your new Ultrabooks are going to be able to adapt the way that you want to work and not the other way around. I'll leave you guys to it. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man.
A pleasure, man. Thank you.
Pleasure's mine.
well, thanks for your help. We knew you had some talent in the area of expertise in front of the Computex audience to help us on a demo, but I have to say, I enjoyed the video a little bit more because,
You like that?
you know, from an Intel standpoint, the girls went for the Ultrabook. Sorry.
It happens sometimes. Sometimes, not often.
How did it happen? How did it happen?
when you got a computer that looks this good?
That's the Ultrabook convertible, it looks like.
It's hard to compete. But when it can do this, then the girls go crazy. Alright? So it has the flexibility of a tablet, and when you want to get some serious work done, you can use a keyboard.
It's multifunctional, kind of like you. Sing, act, direct, play different instruments. A little commonality there.
That's right.
Lee Holm, appreciate having you add a little bit of color and a lot of life to the stage here. Thanks so much.
Thanks a lot, Tom.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Happy Computex.
So, touch, voice, face recognition, all in the near future. What could be next? Remember, computers have the brains, and we talked about us as humans use our senses. Why shouldn't we look the same towards the computers? Imagine the possibilities. You know, just imagine when multi-gesture touch can give it a more immersive gaming experience or augmented reality. Craig showed you some capabilities, but there's really a lot more. Biometric sensing, you know, to uniquely identify you and enhance security. Or health assessment, to non-invasively monitor your well-being. Or eye tracking, so screens can be more efficient for the disabled, and they can more easily interact. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So much more is possible. But it's only possible because of our time-tested approach at Intel. It's the second to the last slide, and I'm talking about a transistor for the first time in our architecture and our whole time-tested approach. The basic building block of computing is the transistor. In a 22 nanometer, 100 million plus fit on the head of a pin. And with Tri-Gate, Intel has a 3 to 4 year lead over our competition. We're investing into a massive scale as well. It's not just making the best transistors on the globe, but it's having the scale. That's why we put $10 billion into capital spending, and we can scale our manufacturing plants to deliver the volumes that you're going to be looking for in your devices over time. But they're big bets. The 14 nanometer fabs are $5 billion plus. And it doesn't stop there. All in the same house is where our R&D is going on, and our architects are at work with our architecture. We talked about the 3rd generation core. Next year is the Haswell Haswell architecture. But this tick-tock model with rapid architectural and process innovation work beautifully together. And it doesn't stop there. I talked about optimization, tuning. Intel's one of the biggest software companies in the world. Not just for the great companies we've brought in like McAfee and Wind River, and we've got Intel App Up, which you saw, but it's all this enabling that goes on. So it's the architects that are working on the hardware with the software with the manufacturing capability all in one house that really gives us this winning formula. But it's just that, a formula, until it's brought to life by you. All of the goodness of Intel isn't enough without you. So thanks for bringing to life all these wonderful capabilities, and let's shape the future together. Thank you, and have a great Computex.